Hey everyone, today we're going to look at the Hot Wheels Tune-Up Shop playset. This is from the Hot Wheels World Collection from the late 1990s. This set comes with 10 working features, realistic railing sound, and high-speed car launcher. This toy has a copyright of 1998, ages over 5 and up, and unfortunately, Hot Wheels vehicles and track not included, so no cars included in this set. I might have to use some other cars I have to use for my playsets. Look at the front of the box. I found this on eBay for $100, so it's a lot expensive. And if we take a look at the back of the box here, it has a copyright of 1998 over here, made in China. And here are some other similar sets over here, including the Hot Wheels Super Electronic City Center playset, Fire Station. And here's a picture shows all the Hot Wheels World playsets you can collect and connect together. HotWheels.com. So I think it's time to open this up. And let's open it up let's open it up and see what it looks like. It starts in 1 second. This is what the set looks like. All the parts are all off on the box. We have the instruction manual and the sticker sheet. And we have the electronic sound. And it starts like any second. Definitely a lot of work to put together. Here's a look at the set fully assembled, and as you see, it took like just over an hour to put all the stickers and the pieces together, but there's so many stickers. But unfortunately, there's no cars included, but I have some extra cars soon. I should do that some later. I'm just gonna move them back. And if you have some special features, but if you do this, that has nice sounds with this. But if you go, I'm gonna move this back. But if you go take a car and put it up into the ramp, and then go to get this, and then get some fuel, and then move this down. Wow, how'd you know that? And then you do this. And you go the other way. And you have a launcher, and it has 8 sounds. Watch this right here. It's a 3-speed launcher, and you can connect this to the Hot Wheels World playsets or the Orange Truck System playset from the Hot Wheels box. Want to watch that again? That's gonna be a lot of fun toy. Or if you go to the other side, that'll work. That is a really cool tune-up shop. That cost $100 on eBay in 2025. And you can connect this to the Hot Wheels World playsets. And here's the other sides. And here's the other side. And I think it's about time to play some of these things. So let's continue about the sets. No, let's continue about the cars.